Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to report the week 8 and 9 with the topic of integrated marketing communications. So, presented by Ralph Reyes Villa, Edward Angelo Limos, Cristina Cassandra Boyd, and Jonah Carvalho. So, this is our learning intended outcomes. After completing this course, participants will be able to understand INC, apply consumers' insight, develop message strategy, plan media, use advertising, apply public relations, leverage direct marketing, utilize digital and social media, run sales promotion, measure with metrics and analytics, evaluate campaigns, write creative briefs, execute integrated campaigns, coordinate communications, and ensure internal alignment. So, introduction. So before that, integrated marketing communication is the strategy of coordinating all marketing efforts in ads, social media promotions, and more to deliver a consistent, clear message to the right audience efficiently. So promoting brand boosts recognition, increase sales, and long-term survival and profitability. So when a company promotes a brand, people start recognizing it. So when the brand is recognizable, so people will make the brand more trustworthy. So it leads to buying its products. So more sales makes higher profit, and also it helps the company to survive and grow over time. So understanding brand communication is essential before exploring integrated marketing communication. Brand communication is a strategic effort to increase a product visibility and appeal to its target audience. Effective brand communication promotes products by identifying targeting most suitable to consumers. So, companies plan marketing to attract the right people and focusing on those who are likely to buy. So, like target consumers nila. So, brands are promoted to target consumers using methods such as advertising, sales promotion, public relations, direct marketing, personal selling, and also social media. So, INC is an important concept that needs to be understood. INC integrates different promotional strategies to reach target audience, boost sales, and ensure cost efficiency. So, INC consists of several key elements that ensures effective brand promotion. So, the first one is the foundation. So, understanding product, target market, consumer needs, and competitors. So, in this foundation, it is needed to understand before planning marketing. Then, the second one is called corporate culture. So, it aligns product with company vision and values. So, aligning products with company vision and values. So, ina-ensure nila na ang product ng marketing ay mag-match sila goals and values. So, the third one is brand focus. Sa brand focus, it defines the unique identity of the brand. So, example, kay si Apple, nag-focus siya sa innovate, sa pagbuhat sa high quality sa product, and also sa performance and sa smoothness sa product. Then, so it is dali siya ma-recognize sa mga tao kay paano siya, isa siya ka brand message sa product. So, the next is consumer experience. So, consumer experience prioritize consumer perception, packaging, and satisfaction. So, it is how the customer feel about the brand or the product. And the fifth one is communication tools. Used in advertising, direct selling, and social media. So, it is the way to tell the customers about the product or the brand. So, the next one is promotional tools. So, promotional tools apply trade promotion, personal selling, and trade relations. So, usahay siya as strategy para ma-encourage to purchase ang customer and makabuild po siya o loyalty. Then sa integration tools, monitoring customer feedback use the CRM for integration. So it is a tools to check if marketing is working in using customer feedback. So, bali, dili lang tayo sila nag-ads o karang sa basta. Then, let's go to the next. And the next is creating integrated marketing communication plan. So, an integrated marketing communication or IMC plan combines different marketing elements to deliver to the right message at the right time, boosting awareness and ensuring brand promotion. So, to illustrate this point, let us use an example. So, an organization offering vacation packages must first identify its target clients. For example, newness for honeymoon, balik ng mga bagong kasal, tagal sila vacation packages like honeymoon, sa ilang honeymoon, and seniors for pilgrimage. So, like, murag sila sa usa ka sacred lugar, like pag-visit sila sa Jerusalem. So, for Christians or Jewish. So, IMC, to boost brand visibility, it can use multiple promotional channels, such as print media, social media, website, banners, and press conference. So, IMC strategies will grow brand visibility, recall, and exposure across multiple platforms, strengthening customer engagement. So, the process of developing an integrated marketing communication plan. So, when creating an IMC plan, it is important to set a clear purpose, manage resources and time, and prioritize budgeting marketing promotion. So the second phase focuses on gathering information about the field, brand, and target audience, ensuring a clear understanding of the company's vision, goals, products, the product offerings, and customer expectation. The strategic IMC framework should be built through research using systematic experimentation approach for effective implementation. So in short, creating an IMC plan involves setting a clear purpose, managing resources and budget, researching the company target audience, and using the systematic framework for implementation. So it is like following a recipe step by step to make sure the marketing plan works correctly. So, an effective integrated marketing communication plan should encompass the following components. So, the first is marketing plan overview. So, it outlines strategies and statistics to reach target customers. So ganyan, like promoting honeymoon packages to lens and newly weds. And they use tactics like advertising through social media platforms or like television ads, and it can attract customers. Next, organization background, present the company's story, vision, and visions. So, example like si Apple history niya he was founded in 1976 by Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne. So, mission niya to I ambition here to make the best product to leave the world that we found it. So ambition here to design, innovate, user-friendly technology that enriches people's lives. So it takes that who the company is, what it wants, and why it exists. So the next is product understanding. Highlight the brand's key features and unique qualities. So sa product understanding, it knows what your product valuable and unique to customers. So the next is target market. Target market define the audience, their needs, expectations, and why you should choose the brand over competitors. Like define your audience, age, gender, or locations. Then their needs, expectations, and why they should choose your brand over competitors. So the next is competitor analysis. Compare your brand with competitors and show how it stands out. So by examining the brands that same product as you, to show your product is better. So bali mag-examine ka sa same product, hindi mo magibalik sa product sa ubal kay makita nimo kung unsa ang mas better sa iyong mga kaysa sa ilaha. Kung saan mo makakita sila witness para masolusyonan o customer kay balik sa luma. Then, sa SWOT analysis. So, assess strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So, sa effective integrated management communication, kailangan siya SWOT analysis. So, kailangan mag-plan kasi mga strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. The next is awareness strategies. Identify vendors to embrace brand awareness. It is a way to get your brand noticed by more people. Like mag-ads kasi mga fan sa mga product or product or brand. So regularly review the information that effective in promoting products and increasing profitability. So after that, you will check if your marketing plan works and it makes improvements. So that's all for my report, and the next one is reported by Edward and Angelonimus with the topic of implementing integrated marketing communication plan.
Hey everyone, I'm the second reporter by the way, Edward Angelonimus. So my topic is just innovation with week 8. So my topic is implementing integrated marketing communication plan. So let's read first. An integrated marketing communication, or IMC, that strategically combines key elements of the marketing mix, such as advertising, PR or public relations, promotion, and social media to promote brands effectively. The goal is to create consistent messaging across multiple channels, building awareness and increase profits. So, ang integrated communication plan, sana siya pinaagi sa pag-promote sa mga brand, pinaagi sa pag-provide sa atong mga key elements, ang sa pag-advertise sa mga lain-lain platform, kapag print ad, sa newspaper, sa social media, mga na. So, ang goal naman is to makakuha ka dagang audience na makaatag o brand awareness sa mga productors, sa mga servisyo na ginakatag. And also, yung isa na pamaagi is makadali na ito pag-connect with the potential customer. So next is, successful ILC requires a deep understanding of the target audience, their needs, and expectation. So hindi ka basta-basta ang latag or magbuhat o mga promotion na wala kang kabalo kung sa mga target audience or target customer, wala kang kabalo silang mga kinakamulan. So hindi ka basta-basta magbuhat kung di ka basta-basta mag-promote kung hindi pang galing na needs sa lahat. So, to further brand loyalty, product must deliver value that exceeds customer expectation. Integration must be precise ads, website, banner, and other platforms should complement each other for maximize reach. So, para kada siya mapamahagi sa pag-promote natin sa ating mga produkto and also to meet the expectation, hindi not just to meet ang expectation but also to exceed, no? Sa pinahagi sa ating mga ads, sa mga website, sa ibang pang mga banner, kaya ng mga, na makita ng mga datong billboard, sila siya tatamaan sa pag-promote sa mga produkto. So, nasa yung mga lain-lain na pamahagi. Hindi lang siya nag-focus sa usa. Next is, IRC also requires dedicated time, sources, and budget with a priority given to high budget customer. So, ang IRC is also, kailangan nyo mag-invest o takong time sa pagplano sa ating imong pag-promote. And also, di lang ka-invest sa time, but also invest sa budget. Like, kapag naman na sa atong past, di ba nga, with cancer groups, at naibahan ito na even na small or big companies, sa pag-advertise sila ang mga silang mga brand or products is babot yung libo-libo and millions ang mga magastos. Kailangan na wala ganun na mahal para hindi masayang sa para atong ganun is na ipadulungan. So, careful planning, timely execution, and cost-effectiveness are the key to success. So, kailangan na ito yung ganun maayo yung so, di na ito ganun. So, may example din eh. Light footwear is popular among students 16 to 20 years old for casual wear by using social media, create ads, campus campaign, and website. So, sa Nike na companies, napansin nila ang ilang footwear ng mga sapatos, ilang mga footwear ng mga baligya is mga halimbawa sa mga naglarong 16 to 23 years old. So, kana sila is nakuha nila ng kailangan na yung target audience. So, kaya sila nag-focus. So, Nike ensures consistent messaging that resonate with young consumer rather than focusing only on professional. So, as Marian said, na ilang nakita na mas dagan o consumer ang nagdaroon of 16 to 23 years old sila ang footwear na baligya. So, kaya sila nag-focus rather than professionals. So, ultimately, IRC should deliver purposely when time verification while monitoring competitors and evaluating results to require. So, sa akong pag-nagiging ko na tayo na ma-perfect, kasi nakilan ko na ito habang nagpunta sa ito ang pag-promote, and also communicate sa mga customer and also sa mga stockholders. While monitoring competitors, kailangan ko na ito evaluate sa ito mga strategy kung may mga errors, may mga kailangan mag-buwan, and also refine strategies. Next, so the components of a successful integrated marketing strategy. So an integrated marketing strategy uses different tools. So lain-lain na tools. Mapagiging ganyan advertising, public relations, social media, events, and more. Working together to deliver one clear, consistent message. So, consistent message because na kung inyo ang pag-promote sa inyo specific na produkto. The goal is to reach the right audience. So, at the right time with the right message, really strong brand reputation and loyalty. So here are the components. The first is customer focus. So let's read first. Customers should always be the center of any marketing plan, understanding their needs, desire, and expectation, and make sure your product delivers beyond that. Loyal customers are your strongest asset. Keep listening and their feedback and improving. So, ang customer is ang sentro sa ating pag-negosyo. Kung wala yung customer, wala tayari, wala tayari. And also, para natin, para ma-success ang ating pag-pabasigyan, pinagin natin na atong yatag, is kung sa atong, kung saan nilang ginagalan. Kaya yung naman mga target audience na ito, is hindi lang ginagalan ng specific produkto, hindi po na itong yatag. Mabili lang expectation, makahatag tao satisfaction, and also makahatag po long engagement relationship with the customer. So makahatag siya, good relationship. cooperation. So it's this. Marketing is not just a job of the marketing team, it's the company-wide effort. So department like sales, customer service, and delivery must work together. Collaboration, better ideas, smoother execution, and happier customer. So sa business, kinahanglan din nato cooperation. So mag-work together ta para smooth naman ang process o pagdalag sa mga negosyo. So next is database communication. So information should flow freely between the company. Employees need access to accurate and updated data to do their job well. So kailangan na nato sa ato ang business at mga stakeholders na lain mga sa mga cases kung sa ilang trabaho. So kailangan na nato transparency kasi pinalabasan mo sa result sa ilang trabaho matag-adlaw. Ibang sa sa sales. So kung pilay nahalin sa specific na adlaw, ibang sa para sa mga nakatubang sa mga tao, mga service, i-evaluate na ito na sa mga reaction or mga para sa mga tao, sa mga customer, sa ilang feeling, Next is leverage. Not every channel is equal. Understand which platform gives the best result for your brand. Compare cost and the impact across social media, print, events, ads, or focus on the most cost-effective and impactful channels to maximize reach. So, dito sa leverage is kabaluhan ka ang main line IFC is to broad yung makuha ang audience talagang sa mga audience lalaki sa mga multimedia. But, ini siya is not every channel is equal. So, pinahanglan nato na mag-focus lang tayo dito o mag-invest ng maayos sa usa channel kung asa nag-promote, kung asa ang ato para dili masayang mga kwarta na i-invest sa ubang channel na dili maday mga customer. So next is profitability. Every marketing activity should ultimately contribute to revenue growth, strong strategies, influence customer decisions, and manage loyalty. The goal, more sales, stronger relationship, and long-term growth. So sa mga wala mang na sa negosyo, wala mang mga maalam tama loss. So para din ang mga activity na sa negosyo is for profitability para sa ang growth at ang negosyo. So strong strategies, influence customer decision, and manage loyalty. So kailangan sa mga strategies para makuha para loyalty sa mga customer, makahatag na siya o mas long-term na sales or mas long-term na profitability or long-term growth. Next is the importance of integrated marketing communication. Integrated marketing communication actually unifies advertising, PR, marketing, and digital platform to deliver one clear and consistent message to both current and potential customer. So, ano important ang IMC? First, build brand awareness while minimizing cost. So, sa mga optimum din yan, ang delete na channel is equal. So, channel na dili kayo patong, but also makahatag siya na kung awareness or makahatag siya mas tagang audience na mapromote mo yung produkto. So, tinaanin sa pag-focus lang sa channel kung asa mas patong, so mas maka-minimize ang cost. Sunod, promotes trust and loyalty through consistent and reliable message. So sa pag-promote ng mga produkto, dapat pinasa is tinuod kung sa imong ginatangay ko. Eh, kana siya yung kukuha ng mga customer. So sa panahon nga, pag sila na nabalik, so kung sa tulang expectation dito sa imong produkto is nahaong, so makahatag siya sa satisfaction, makahatag siya trust. And also, kung nahatag din ng expectation, but also to exceed nga sa atag din mo ilang nagaw pa, nahatag na siya good relationship and also loyalty. So first, both B2B and direct customer engagement. So, kung siya dapat sa good relationship, no? Sa atong negosyo. And with the stakeholders, employees, na nagkakaroon good relation, but also B2C. So, from business to customer. Creates a greater impact on customer reception and buying behavior. So, syempre, sa atong pag-promote, persuade na ko na maayo mga message na makuha na ko ng attention para makuha na ko ng feedback na palitan ng mga produkto. Focuses not just on gaining new clients but also building long-term relationship. So, magpapagiging nga, hindi lang na sila nag-focus sa immediate sale but also the long-term engagement and also long-term loyalty sa customer. So, IMC also requires that customer feedback is monitored and used for improvement. So, syempre sa pag-evaluate sa mga mistakes, so kada siya sa pag-negotiate sa ating mga knowledge para tamakat yung para na ay ipabuhon para sa ato improvement sa ating negosyo. In today's competitive market, relying only on traditional advertising is not enough. Business integrated multi-channel strategies. So, siyempre, develop ang ito karon nga modern is nag-focus nita sa mga social media, which is ang mga traditional na pag-promote is really na kaya enough. Next, by using tools like TV, radio, print ads, banner, social media, public relation events, promotion, and loyalty program, IMC helps brand reach wider audience effectively and efficiently. Okay, thank you. That's all.